Shenyang Performing Arts performed in 4 countries simultaneously on January 7th, making a historic debut in a former Soviet Union country. Audience members in Latvia, the US, and Italy got a glimpse of China's 5,000 years of traditional culture and marveled at the artistry.
Dejotājs fantastisks, tās graciozas un vienots tas uzvedums kopā ar video. Es neko tādu līdz šim nebiju redzējis. Tas fantastiski.
This is phenomenal, unbelievable, beautiful, flawless, excellent music. There's no mistakes. These dancers are first class.
Mi hanno stupito perché andavano tutti insieme, avevano lo stesso ritmo ed è stata una coreografia molto bella.
Tas bija ļoti jauks, un mūsu tumšajā ziemā, it sevišķi tagad, kad ir tumšs laiks, tas bija tāds tā kā svaiga dvēsma, kā svaigs saules stars. Ļoti patika, jā.
Traditional Chinese culture and values find their roots in the divine, which Shenyang showcases through classical dance and music. Theatergoers took note of a deeper message and praised Shenyang's efforts to share it with the world.
Everybody needs compassion in nowadays world when we have so much aggression and war going on so close to us. So there is never too much compassion. And it's beautiful that someone talks about that.
It is amazing to see over 5,000 years of culture be displayed. It is saddening to understand that less than 100 years of communism, of suppression of these expressions and beliefs is destroying this culture.
Un'impressione di grazia e di serenità, che è la cosa, appunto, come dico, abbiamo bisogno di più in questi periodi storici, direi.
Tā vērts gan redzēt šīs vecās tradīcijas, gan tās jaunās tehnikas, ko jūs izmantojat, lai viņus parādītu un padarītu to visu tik interaktīvu un baudāmu. Es uzskatu, no tās izrās nāk tāda liela sirsnība un labestība. Paldies jums liels, ka jūs atbraucāt uz Latviju pie mums mazo valsti. Paldies liels.
Shenyang will be performing at the Adrian Arch Center for the Performing Arts in Miami, Florida from January 10th through 12th. NTD News, New York.